All right, so the 6 suspects in the murder of Babita Deokaran will remain in custody after their bail application was postponed till November. Deokaran, a Gauteng Health official, was gunned down in August. She was a witness in the multi-million rand COVID-19 personal protective equipment corruption probe. Now, the tender fraud totaled over 330 million rand. Our reporter, Pule Letshwiti-Jones, has been following the story. He joins me in studio now to give us more details. So, Pule, we've seen so many postponements. Why was this matter postponed today?
Right, definitely, the defence is arguing that the matter should actually go on despite the audio technicalities that took place. But the magistrates were saying the proceedings can't carry on because there seems to be a problem with the court recordings which cannot have the transcripts saved on the server. And therefore, the magistrate says the matter cannot proceed because this will hamper the case, particularly because the state wants this matter to be moved to go to trial after the bail application hearing. So they're not taking any chances. But then crucially, the defense says that what this has done now is that the accused, or rather the clients, actually going under a legal process which is what they call a malfunctional justice system. And they're saying that, this matter has to be resolved because it's actually being delayed. It's about a month now. And they think that the courts should actually get their side of the story correct and, have the recordings working so that the matter can proceed for bail.
So this is actually a technical issue that's affecting the transcription of all the evidence that's supposedly being recorded. And the defense is now using that to say, well, come on, this is not okay. I mean, that's actually a very serious development, and it speaks to problems within our court system. Talk to me about the progress of the investigation. Where are we actually in this case? So
the NPA says that they're not yet ready to actually, say they have concluded with their investigations. What we do know is that they say they're still looking into this matter, but they're quite confident that going for the bail proceeding, they can actually have something tangible that the courts can work with. We spoke to Pindi earlier on, which is the NPA spokesperson, and this is what she had to say.
We are ready to proceed with the bail application itself, but in terms of being trial ready, we are not yet ready. The investigations are still ongoing, they are not concluded. Hence, we are now trying that even the bail proceedings itself, much as we are ready as the state, but we are not willing to take that risk. Much as the accused are complaining that justice delayed is justice denied, as the state we also raise our concern to say that justice rushed may be justice obscured. So we have to make sure that in this bail application proceeding, justice is served.
Good response. We can't rush justice either. But this audio problem, this technicality, which is actually preventing things progressing any further, what happens? Is it something that's easy to resolve? Has it affected any recordings so far? What are the implications?
So this problem was actually caused by the cyber attack that actually plagued the Department of Justice well just a few weeks ago rather. And now what happens now is that the defense was asking, and rather arguing, if this can't actually be transcribed through a CD and then saved. But the magistrate says that's really difficult. That can't be the case because it will then hamper the proceedings. Now, what happens now that the matter's been postponed to the 2nd of November, if they can carry on with proper recordings, then the bail application hearing will go on. The deposing of affidavits will then be heard before the court, and then, Sally, we will then know what the accused are saying and who they're actually pointing fingers at to be the mastermind behind this whole case. But apart from that, if the problem continues to persist, then we may just be seeing another postponement coming our way again.
I mean, the potential ramifications of the cyber attack on the Department of Justice, I mean, the Master's office is also in a terrible state still, it seems. Really, it's very serious repercussions. And this is such a crucial case. We've got to get to the bottom of who ordered this hit on Babita Deokaran. Thank you very much for that update, Pule Letshwiti-Jones there.